Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahar here from Allbar Technologies and you're watching the unboxing of Huawei Honor B. So let's begin. So here is the box pack of Huawei Honor B, and you can see it is quite similar to the box pack of Huawei Honor 4C, and I have the black color variant with me. You can see the pricing over here, it is 4,999, which is the MRP quoted on the box. Now let's open the box pack and take a look at the contents of the box. So inside the box on the top we have the warranty card, and below which is the quick start guide. And it is nicely printed. We'll keep it aside. And here is the Huawei Honor B itself. Now let me actually remove this plastic so that we can take a closer look at the device itself. So here is the Huawei Honor B in black color. It looks very nice. I'll keep it aside for as of now. Now let's take a look at the contents of the box. So inside we have the power adapter that will be used for charging your device. It is quite huge, and you can see the ampere rating in case you want to know that. Both the input and output rating were given. Here is the USB to micro USB data cable that will be used for charging your device as well as connecting your device to your PC or Mac system. Let's keep it aside. And last but not the least, the battery, which is a 1730 mAh capacity battery. Now let's quickly take a look at the specifications of Huawei Honor B. So we have a 4.5-inch display with a resolution of 480 by 854, 1.2 GHz quad-core processor from Spectrum, 1GB RAM, 8GB of internal storage and 32GB expandable, 8MP camera with dual LED flash, 2MP front-facing camera, Android 4.4 KitKat, 1730 mAh battery and dual SIM. So here is the Honor B in my hand, and the weight of the device is not much, although it is slightly thick, you can see that, but it fits into the hand properly because it is a 4.5-inch screen device and one hand usage should be very easy on this device. Now let's quickly take a physical overview of the device. So on the top we have some sensors. We don't have a LED notification light. Here is the earpiece. We also have a front facing camera which is a 2MP camera. We have a 4.5-inch screen with a resolution of 854 by 480, and we don't have the Corning Gorilla Glass protection on top of the display. At the bottom we have 3 touch capacitor buttons, which is the back key, home key and the multitasking key. They do not light up. If we move on to the right side, we have the power button and the volume control key above it. Both feels really good. They have some texture, you can feel that. If we move on to the top, we have the USB port, which is the micro USB port over here. We also have a 3.5mm audio jack. If we move on to the bottom, we have the primary microphone over here, if you can see that. And on the left side, we don't have anything. If we move on to the back side, we have the speaker at the bottom over here in the center. We also have a Honor logo here. We have a 8MP camera and dual LED flash. This camera can shoot 1080p videos. Now let's quickly remove this back cover so that we can take a look at the battery compartment, the SIM card slots and the SD card slot. So it is fairly easy to remove the back cover. The cover is made out of thick plastic. Here is the battery, which is the 1730 mAh capacity battery. Let's insert it. But you can see that we have the SD card slot over here, which will accept 32GB SD cards, SIM1 slot, which will accept GSM SIM card, and SIM2 slot. Let's insert the battery, place the back cover and turn on the device so that we can take a look at the device itself. Let's power on the device. But before moving ahead, I also have the Micromax Canvas Spark with me, so in case you want to compare or you want me to compare both the devices, make sure you post your comments in the comment section down below and ask me to compare both the devices, and I might compare both the devices. So I have already set up the device, and you can see the UI is quite similar to the Honor 4C and 4X. You don't have an app drawer. All your apps remain on the main screen or the home screen, which we have seen earlier. But I feel the display of Canvas Spark is slightly better compared to the Honor B. But we will make a comparison video if you guys ask me to do that. You can see all the apps over here. We don't have a lot of pre-installed apps over here. We just have few applications which are pre-installed. You can see Facebook and Twitter, which is pre-installed over here. And except for that, we don't have anything pre-installed on this device. We also have Google specific apps pre-installed, which we are seeing on all the Android phones. Now let's quickly jump into the settings and take a look at the Android version that it comes with. So it comes with Android 4.4.2, which is KitKat. We also have 1 GB of RAM. And I'm not sure if we will get Android 5.1 update. With Canvas Spark, you do get Android 5.0 Lollipop out of the box. Now let's quickly take a look at the storage on this device. So we have 5.42 GB of storage, or 5.25 GB available out of that 8 GB. Let's go into apps so that we can take a look at the available RAM after the first boot. And the available RAM is around 730 MB out of that 1 GB. Now let's go back and let's try if this device supports OTG. I have the OTG drive or OTG pen drive over here. The place of the micro USB port is very weird. It is on the top, and I have inserted my OTG pen drive. You can see that it is not detecting my OTG pen drive over here. Let's go into File Manager and see. And you can see that there is no OTG drive or USB storage which is shown up here. You can only see the internal storage. Now let's quickly play a YouTube video. And the display is looking very decent on this device. Also, the output out of the speaker is also very decent, not great. Viewing angles are very decent on this device, same as the Canvas Spark. So this was the quick unboxing of Huawei Honor B. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button down below. Also post your comments and queries in the comment section. I try to answer most of them. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Google+, and the links for the same will be in the description. You can visit our website aatechnology.in for more details, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more such videos on Huawei Honor B and other devices. This is Saurabh Nahar here from Allba Technologies. Thank you guys for watching.